Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my 1000 subscriber giveaway. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. Before I get into the giveaway and show you guys everything that I will be giving away, I first just want to say thank you to every single person that subscribed to my channel, every single person that gives this any videos of mine a thumbs up, anyone that comments. I see you guys. I see that there is the same people all the time that are liking my videos, commenting on my videos. I'm really bad at commenting back to you guys, like responding back to you guys, but just so you know, I do see you guys and I really do appreciate it. You guys are amazing. Okay, let's get into this giveaway. The first thing that I'm going to be giving away is one of these Wet n Wild eyelash curlers. I gave so many of these away for my Vlogmas 12 days of giveaway thing that just happened. I really love these, or this curler, eyelash curler. It's like one of the best. The next thing that you're going to get is 2 of the KKW lipsticks. I have a lot of these. I bought a lot for Vlogmas and then I just bought a lot for myself because I really like Kim Kardashian's brand. So I'm going to be giving 2 of them away. This is in pink 2 and pink 4. The next thing that I am going to be giving away is the Maddie Ziegler. This is Pink About You. It's the Morphe. You get the pink, or no, sorry, you get the pink. You get the lip and cheek duo. So this is what it looks like. I'm not going to take it out to show you guys, but you get, from what it says, is you get like a lip product plus a cheek product. The next thing that I'm going to be giving away is the Jeffree Star. I think this is like the 8 pan magnetic eyeshadow palette thing, and you will also be getting 2 of the Jeffree Star single eyeshadows here. You get like a purple one and a pink one. The next thing you're going to be getting is 3 different eyelashes from Ioni, plus you will be getting the Ioni eyelash glue. This is a really nice eyelash brand. I have, which one do I have on today? I have this one on my eyes today. I really like them. They're easy to apply and they just look very nice on your eyes. The next thing that I have here is the Real Techniques face brush. I saw this at TJ Maxx and I thought it was really nice. I wanted to get one for myself and I did not end up picking one up, so. And then I got the Real Techniques Soft Glam brush. I thought that this would be a nice one for highlight. I picked one up for myself too. But yeah, I haven't used mine yet, but I thought with the, oh, it is a highlighter brush. So yeah, I was gonna use it for highlighter and it's a highlighter brush. So I thought that was nice. And then I also got the Real Techniques, what is this? This is the complexion brush. So it looks like that. I like the look of it. It's all gold with a little diamond in the middle here. So, and I think this is, yeah, it's a limited edition. I picked both of them up at TJ Maxx. I also picked myself up some because I can't help it. The next thing that you will get is the Lunar Beauty lip gloss. I got this in my my mystery box and I used it. I love it. I am going to get it in every shade that he has it in because I really, really like this lip gloss. And then you will get these eyelashes and this eyelash glue. I picked this up, and also in the back here there's these lip masks for your lips here. They're in the back here, you can't see them. This is actually a brand that I found on TikTok. I purchased a bunch of stuff from her and I got a couple of her eyelashes and eyelash glues and I like them. They're really nice. And I also picked this makeup sponge up. This was also from that TikTok brand that I was just talking about. I got this sponge too for the giveaway. I also picked these up for the giveaway. This is Arthur George. This is Rob Kardashian's brand. It's just a pair of socks that say I love you. I got a couple pairs and I decided to give one of them away for the giveaway. My camera battery just died on me, so the camera angle probably changed. The last things that I got for the giveaway are all eyeshadow palettes. I found a bunch of them that I love, so I wanted to give them away. So the first one is from Huda Beauty. This is the Mercury Retrograde palette, so you will get this. And then you also get the one size Patrick Star eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to take them out and show you guys. I found these at TJ Maxx and actually picked myself up them too because I didn't have them. So you will get both of the Jaclyn Hill vaults, part of her vault collection. You will get Ring the Alarm, and then you also get Blinged Boss too. And then you will get the Too Faced Christmas Coffee palette. I picked so many of these up because they went on sale after Christmas and I just bought a bunch of them. This is all the shades right here. The last palette, oh sorry, there's another one that isn't a palette. So you will get the Creme Shop, you will get the Creme Shop face masks. So I think you get like 5 of them in here. Is it 5? No, you get 3 of them, sorry. So you will get that. And then the last 3 things I picked up for you guys, and I also picked up for myself because I was super excited about them. So you will get the Glam Light Pizza Slice palette. This is the shades on the back here, and this was only $10. I was super excited about it when I saw them at TJ Maxx. I'm not sure if they're still at TJ Maxx, but definitely go check. My TJ Maxx didn't have a lot, but they had a couple of them and I bought them all. Then you get the Glam Light Taco palette. It looks like this. And then here's what the shades look like. And then you will get the Glam Light Pizza palette. And that one looks like this. And on the back, this is what the shades look like. So yeah, that is everything that I'm going to be giving away in this giveaway. Again, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and interacting on my videos. I really appreciate it. It means so much to me. And yeah, I have a couple big things that are going to be happening this summer, and I'm so excited to tell you guys about it and show you guys and be able to give back to you guys. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much. So to be entered into today's video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below, and you will be entered into it. I will leave on the screen here when this contest ends. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and thank you so much again for being a part of my little family here on YouTube. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.